So this is the new Select Basketball 23-24 with the new WEMBY chase. We're gonna get it right here. So these ones came out on the 26th of April. I got them the same day. They just got here. So let's get it. And then obviously WEMBY, if we can get it. I'm hoping we can. I didn't even open it. These ones are supposed to have like really high ceilings, and I've been seeing a bunch of people open blasters and mega boxes getting a bunch of new stuff. So there's 6 packs, 4 cards per pack, and we have 3 blaster boxes. We'll open up more, but this is the first time. Oh, there's a security tag. You could go up.
Where's this?
Security tag. Alright, I'm gonna open up the first one. So this is what the base are looking like. So we got Jalen Brunson. We have a gold in it. Bradley Beal right here. Oh my gosh, I think it is. Oh my god. Who's it for? Shaden? Oh, it's not numbered. But we got a gold right here. Gold shimmer. Ooh. You can start opening. I'm gonna do one more and then you can open it. Got Shaden, Brandon Miller for the rookie, John, and Tyrese. So nothing in that one. What? What is this? What the? Nathan. Okay, just keep going. Keep going.
Whoever that is.
You can read names.
Emoni Bates.
Nathan.
Sorry. Tyrese, whatever that says. LaMelo Ball.
Asar Thompson for the Rookie Revolution. That is pretty
12.
good. Maybe just sleeve that one right there. Not top load, just sleeve. We'll sleeve any numbered cards or any Wembys. Alright, I'm gonna open one. So Nathan. Looks like I got another dud pack. DeJounte, Luca, right there. I'm gonna keep that. Sasha, Jet Howard for the Rookie Revolution. Beautiful. We want as many rookies as possible, and then obviously whatever else we can get is nice.
Ben Shepherd, Jalen Williams, Klay Thompson, Jimmy Butler.
Nathan.
Am I him?
Am I him? Courtside. Nathan got it courtside. So far, we're doing pretty good. We pretty much got a hit per pack. There we go.
De'Aaron Fox, Franz Wagner, Julian Phillips, and Kawhi Leonard.
Got a dead pack right there. Oh, we got something here. We got Kawhi Leonard, Giannis, Chris Murray, and Bradley Beal for the concourse. That's a beautiful one right there as well. Still no Wemby out of these packs. That's crazy. Oh, yeah, one more? Okay,
I have like 3.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Brandon, whatever that says, Pascal Siekman, Devin Vassell,
Oh, you got a purple green.
Julius.
Not the player again. Not the player we're looking for. The concourse right there for the purple green. No numbered though. We're getting a lot of variety. Oh, that's how you know it's good. It better be.
What?
Because it's like opening weird.
Is that how that works?
I'm 100%. 100% sure. Cameron. Oh, okay. I think I got something. Julius. Paul George. Not the player we're looking for.
Nathan, are you gonna go for it? It's $10. I got one left.
No, I'm okay. Anthony Edwards, Trace Jackson.
Last card slow. From the top. Oh, that is the top. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, look it.
From the top.
Oh. Andrew Jackson.
And
Rookie card.
that's a good rookie card. Still not the players we're hitting. Oh man, there's a lot of.
There's a rookie right here.
Who's it? Who's it? Oh, we'll sort the rookies after. We got one pack each. Kobe Brown, rookie. James Harden. Oh, we got 2 hits. I think so. We got 2 hits. We got Select here. Joel Embiid right there for the Concourse, silver. We also got a courtside right here as well. So 2 hits in 1 pack.
Zach Levine. That guy.
Courtside again.
Jalen Williams. And then
Ooh, got a silver.
Jordan
Jordan
Clarkson.
Oh, we got what is this? Concourse silver. We got 1 pack left. So we're gonna split this one. See what happens. If the Wemby's not in here,
my ancient city.
Wait.
hold on.
Wait.
My ancient city. If the Wemby's not in here, I don't know what to do because I already opened up 2 mega boxes and a retail box and we haven't hit. That's crazy. Pick your 3. Okay.
Oh wait, okay.
I'm not even gonna comment on that.
Oh wait, okay. I think it's also.
DeMar DeRozan,
Yeah, okay.
Darius Garland. Oh, we got a Jalen Brown for the. What is this? I don't know what this is. It's like a parallel. And then we have a Vic. What? Chat. Victor Wemby for the Concourse. Yo, okay. So the whole pack is paid. We just paid the whole all of this with this Wemby. I'm gonna put comps up at the end, but that's crazy. Wemby, we got a Wemby, bro. Last pack. All right, let's go on Nathan now. Wemby, bro, that's crazy. I didn't even realize it was him. About to pull another Wemby in there, right there.
Jordan Poole. Kobe Jones.
Luka?
Sasha. I don't know who that is. And then Cade Cunnings. Mezzine?
Oh, we got a mezzanine. That's one of the top cards you're looking for. The inserts right here. Mezzanine, base mezzanine level. So that's a good card right there. Just leave that one. Those 2. Yeah. All right, I got 2 packs left. So far, this is really good. Like, I've never got this many hits in 3 blasters. I opened up Monopoly Prism and got nothing. I opened like 15 of those. I got nothing. These ones we got way more. That's just crazy. All right, it looks like I got a dud pack, but we'll see. Maybe we got a Wemby in here. Julian for the rookie. Another rookie. I have no idea who that is. Another rookie. Wemby, please? Ah. So we got a dud pack right there. Mostly Wemby. I mean, mostly base cards right there.
I see red.
Red?
Yeah,
Red?
I saw red.
Okay.
Oh, it's backwards. Jalen Pickett. Jaren Jackson. Scotty Barnes.
Yo,
Who's that?
I don't know, but Rookie Revolution red right here. Look at that. Usually reds, because they're a good color, they sell a lot. And it's a rookie. If he does good, this could be a really good card. Top load this one. Last pack for me, and then he has 1 more pack. And we will open up more because I got more coming on the way next week. So we're going to have a big haul coming. I might have to have him again for good luck because this is getting good. We got Wemby. We got pretty much everything but a number card. I see something good right here. I don't know if you can see that. So first we have a Ben Shepherd, Jalen Williams,
You want me to get her a toy?
Darren Fox, and we have a purple here for Bama Vito. A bio, sorry. Courtside right there. Lovely. All right, last pack right here. Can we get a number card or an auto?
Sorry.
Donovan Mitchell. Oliver Atkins. Jamie Stephen Curry.
You got a Stephen Curry, bro. Okay, that's good, but not a numbered or anything. But this pack was amazing. Look at all this gold right here. Yeah, so we got a rookie revolution. We got a Victor Wemby. We got a we got a courtside. We got multiple courtside. We got multiple rookie revolutions. Look, just like you could just glance at pretty much everything here.
What is it? Baseball card?
Basketball. Yeah.
She's like, nope, I don't want that one. Come on.
So this definitely paid for the whole pack. Or this Wemby, I would say, paid for the whole pack, all 3 packs, and then the rest of it is just profit. So I dropped the Wemby. You're lying.
Dog.
What the fuck? It couldn't have been. Whatever. Okay. If you guys like more videos just like this, thank you for watching. I'll use him as another trophy because good luck. And if you haven't seen him in the other videos, we did barber videos together. So stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. We out.